Oh, this looks so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I will be creating this look that you guys see here. It's the perfect fall look, okay? If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep watching. All right, so I'm still using the Benifit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 4. I like the way my brows look already. I can't wait till my brows are thick enough to where I don't really have to fill it in so much. So if you guys didn't know, I just posted my first vlog, and yeah, you guys should go check it out. Just a little shopping for some new candles and stuff like that, and I got a lot of good feedback on that. So thank you guys for who comment on that video. A lot of people were telling me to keep posting the vlogs, so I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. Oh, and I took you guys along with me to go get my lashes done. I got some lash extensions done, and I vlogged that as well. So if you have not checked that out, honey, what you doing? Go check out the vlog. Because honestly, I know like so many people were telling me to vlog last year, but y'all, honestly, I be forgetting that I even have a vlogging camera. I really do. Next, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows using the Loreal Infallible Full Wear. This is one of my favorite concealers, okay? If you're looking for a full coverage, affordable, like drugstore concealer, this is the one. It doesn't crease on me. I haven't had any issue with it, and it's so good, and it has so much coverage. So yeah, you guys, I'm just really excited to be posting new content. I'm gonna still be posting makeup tutorials. So this is the palette that I'm going to use. It's the Profusion Mattes palette, and it has all the neutral shades. So I used this shade right here, which is Fuse, and I'm going to put this all over my lids. This is a more like nice smoky but subtle fall look. So I'm also going to dip a little bit into this shade right here. I didn't even mean to go this dark on my eyes, honestly. But we're here. Next, you guys, I'm going to take the Sultry palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to dip into either this deep brown shade or the black, because I'm not going to do a wing liner, but I want to add more depth on my eyes and add like a thin smoky, you know, a little smoky eyeliner. Okay, she's cute. And I'm actually gonna wing it out. So I'm just going with the flow, y'all. There we go. Of course, you gotta bring it all the way in. So I already moisturized my face with the Laura Mercier face oil right here, and I love this stuff, y'all. I use it every single day. So for foundation, y'all know I love to mix my foundations. So I mixed the Lancome foundation with the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I'm gonna leave all the products I use down in my description box. So I hope I didn't make it too light. This looks pretty good. Matches perfectly. Still using my Sonia Kashuk sponge, y'all. Next, for concealer, I'm going to use the Covergirl True Blend Concealer, and it's in the shade Golden Honey. And I'm going to highlight with my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer. I just love blending out concealer. This is just so like satisfying to watch. Just seeing it blend so nice and seamless, and how it instantly just brightens up your under eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and set on my concealer with the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie. Next, you guys, for bronzer, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Cappuccino. Ugh, I need to get my nails done. I don't even want to show them. So this is what the bronzer looks like, and I'm going to use this huge BH Cosmetics brush to apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut Spray, and this smells so good. So I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow that I used all over my lids, and I'm going to use this angle brush right here and apply it right underneath my lash line. Next, I'm going to use the Revlon Skin Lights highlighter, and it's in the shade Twilight Gleam, and it's so pretty. Yes, it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. I feel like this highlighter gives off just enough, you know? Like, you can't pick up too much. It just picks up the right amount. I'm gonna add just a little bit on the brow bone. Something was just missing, and I forgot to contour my nose, and it looks pretty good. It still looks really natural. That's how, y'all, I don't like heavy contour, but I still like it to be noticeable, but not like crazy, you know? This looks so good. Yes, yes. This has to be the perfect fall look, okay? I snapped on this face. Oh, no, not on the don't sit on this face, girl. Ooh, child, I haven't done my makeup like this in so long. One thing about like me with dark lips, I hate when you can still see your lip like in here. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta cover that all the way up. So I forgot to mention the lipstick that I'm wearing. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Malt, and I had these for years. But one thing about these, like, they are so drying, but at the same time they don't go nowhere. It doesn't move around throughout the day or nothing like that. So you guys, this is the completed look, honey, and I did that. Okay, oh my gosh, it looks so good. Literally the perfect look for fall. Like, this would go great with the nude lip too, but I know if I did another nude lip, y'all would go in on me in the comments. So a nice deep brown lip is my favorite go-to, like when I'm in the mood for a dark lip. It's my go-to lip color for fall time. And yeah, I'm just so excited about this look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.